Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on IOTA first. We haven't looked at this in a while. Last time we had the major level of 92.38 coming down there, reversal, falling back down, again pausing at that level. I'm just going to update this to show you the very end level that we utilized. Down to here. Pretty much dead stop on that level. That's 0.79565, then poking through on the next bar but rebounding back sharply. Interesting enough, just reinforcing that other level, 83.45, coming back down, catching on that, then moving up. Now I'm going to drag these levels all the way down. This is acting very sloppy and in congestion. We'll get a better picture when we're on the daily time frame. But really, we're trading at a key resistance cluster right now of 0.93. It did spike through, but it's dropped back a couple times. We might get the first cross rotation zone. So we're going to see if that holds. The 50s right here also, and then we can hold up to a rally. We'll identify those key levels. If this does not hold, watch for the first level support coming in about 84.46, and then I'd be watching for the retest about that 79.86 level. Switching over to the daily. And you're seeing this volatility coming up. The rotation zone is pretty flat, so it's not as significant, but we had the top of it with the 50% retracement of this last sell-off, slamming into that, spiking up to the next higher level of that. And let me actually switch this around so you can see it now from the retracement from these lows to highs. The levels are going to be the same, it's just the numbers reversed. So again, slamming the 50%, running right up to here to 62.5% level and this prior resistance, and then falling back down. What we need to see, again, on another rally, watch again for about this 0.98 level is going to be key. If we do get through there, then you're going to be watching for the 103 level, and then major cluster up here at 108.1 to 108.7 and the declining 50-day. If again we drop to new lows, new low projections 0.722 and then 0.6706, you also see a very interesting sort of pattern here with the spike down, but we did have a divergence here, lower low in price action, higher low. It's just sloppy because of the spike down. So we've definitely got waning momentum, so you might be looking for some buy setups to see if we can get a rally on in IOTA. Switching over to Litecoin, last time we had this levels about the 79.69 area, coming down, trading up, catching on the level higher, hitting it again, and then dropping through it. And then you can always do the progression down. You can come to here, which then you had the next major lows. I'm just going to show you the very end at this point. So you come all the way down here, and you had this major cluster area right about 72.54, spiking through, and you notice here very little double bottom pattern, probably easier to see on the 1 hour. So you have the little double bottom pattern. If we mapped that out, you can even take the more conservative side and then update these levels. You're going to want to look at this. So already we've gone up. If you're using the more conservative levels, 75.55 hit multiple times with the declining 50. If you use the aggressive levels, it's not going to make that much of a difference. It took it to 74.62 for the second target. I just like this one because it came in with the retracement gain level 78.89. We also now have the first cross. So we're going to see if this first cross holds. That's going to be key. If it doesn't, then watch for support down around the 73.37 area. And then if that doesn't hold, I'd be watching for a retest of the lows. But if we do catch on here and rotate up, do not ignore the 74.89 level. That is going to be key. I'm going to move this out of the way. It's getting hard to see at this point. I'm blocking off too much stuff. That's better. Now you can see at the 74.89 level, you can also see how this first level hit multiple times with the declining 50. And there's your first cross. Let's switch over to daily. Daily, again, let's see. We rally through that. There's 74.89. Next key area I'll be watching for. There's going to be some minor resistance coming in about the 76 area. We have these flat bodies here and all these bodies here. So we might have some people looking to bail there. But the next major level, watch for about 77, declining 8 and 25% retracement. If we do get through there, top the rotation zone and another gain level coming in about 80. So those are your major levels. If we do sell off and this does not hold, or do we go up here and then rotate back down, these levels aren't going to change. We'll look at 69.30 and 66.51. So we have for you on a quick IOTA and Litecoin update, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.